unexpected date for tonight or an unexpected party or event to attend? And are you struggling? How will you do your makeup? So grab your makeups now and I will be sharing to you how I did my simple night out look. As you can see, I already did my brows and put my foundation and concealer on my face. I will now put my eyeshadow primer all over my eyelids. For my eyeshadow base, I chose a shade that almost the same as my skin tone. I am putting a base so that all of the colors are easy to blend. Now for my transition shade, I choose a dark brown eyeshadow. I started on the outer corner V of my eyes and then blend it inwards of your crease. And then do the same on the other eye. Just blend the eyeshadow well on both eyes. Now, I will be using a black matte eyeshadow to intensify the color on the outer V corner. And then just blend it inwards. As you can see, I cover up most of the half of my eyelid. And then same stroke on the other eye. And then blend it with a blender brush to eliminate the dark edges. And now I will be using a black shimmer eyeshadow to put on top of the center of my eyelid, and I will be using only my fingertips. Leave a little space in the inner corner of your eyelids. And blend it again with a blender brush. And now I will be using a white shimmer eyeshadow for the inner corner of my eyelid. And then blend it well into the edges of the dark eyeshadow. And now let's go back to the black matte eyeshadow for the lower lash line. Just up until the level of the dark eyeshadow on top of your eyes. And then put the black shimmer eyeshadow on top of it. By the way, I am using a smudger brush from Anklets Brushes for my lower lash line. And now, back to the white shimmer eyeshadow for the inner corner of the lower lash line. And now, let's use a waterproof eyeliner from Pink Sugar. I am not doing a wing line as I am just putting an eyeliner for our false eyelashes to have a base. And now, let's do a tight line for our lower lash line. And now, let's curl our lashes and put some mascara. Be careful on curling your lashes with a curler. You might get hurt like me. I am using the Maybelline Hyper Curl Waterproof Mascara. Now put your false eyelashes on your eyes. And now let's do the important part for me, the nose line. And now let's contour our face. And now, I will be putting my blush on. And now, highlight your cheekbones, your T-zone, as well as the bones under your eyebrows. And lastly, for my lips, I use a Pink Sugar Liquid Lip Tint. That's it. Hope you like this makeup tutorial video. If you do, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And to those who haven't subscribed on my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that you're always updated on my latest uploads. Until on my next video, bye!